Meatball soup, commonly known as bakso in Indonesia, is one of the most popular foods among the public. It is widely loved because of its delicious taste, satisfying portion, and affordable price, making it accessible to people from all economic backgrounds. Bakso is often sold by street vendors, small food stalls, and restaurants. So it is easy to find almost anywhere. From busy cities to small towns. Another reason bakso is highly favored is its variety. There are many types of bakso, depending on how it is made and the local specialties of each city. Some examples include beef meatballs, chicken meatballs, fish meatballs, and even unique variations like stuffed meatballs with eggs, cheese, or chili inside. Each region in Indonesia often has its own distinctive flavor, texture, and serving style, influenced by local ingredients and culinary traditions. Overall, bakso is not just a meal, but also a part of everyday culture in Indonesia.